Hello and welcome to Evaluating Expressions in Algebra, Test 3. So here we've got a plus 5 as a question. Now from our question itself, we can see that a represents 3. So in this case, it will be 3 add 5. Pretty simple. And that answer will be 8. So you have to make sure that all the gaps, all the letters, they represent a particular number. And when you find out the representation of the questions, then you can work out from there what the answer is likely to be. So there's various different types of questions that we actually have here as well. Okay, so there you go. So just to give you a quick understanding of what these mean. So let's say, for example, if it was a 50, now there's no gap here between the letter and the number. That means a multiplied by 50. If the question was 30 over c, that's division. So that would be 30 divided by c, depending on what the letters obviously mean. And if you had, let's say, for example, x plus 15, then we know that this is a simple add question. But you could also have a difference as well. You could have 13 minus p. And here we know that it's a subtract question. So when you have no gaps between the letters and the numbers, such as this question here, you know that you have to multiply. And here we've got the division sign as well, if the numbers are on top of each other. Okay, so good luck with these questions, and we'll follow these up as usual in our next class. Thank you.